For months, the families of hundreds of defendants had been waiting in limbo, but the court's decision confirmed their worst fears. Death sentences for 683 supporters of the outlawed Muslim Brotherhood. It wasn't just the largest number of people to be sentenced to death by an Egyptian court, it also set a world record.
I swear to God, he didn't do anything. The officer came and arrested him when he was sleeping in bed and started investigating him. We were sleeping in safety.
We need justice. Whoever committed the crime should be sentenced, but my brother Khalid is entitled to his rights.
The spiritual leader of the Muslim Brotherhood, Mohamed Badie, was one of those handed death sentences by the presiding judge, Saeed Yusuf Sabri. The defendants are accused of inciting violence, attacking a police station and killing a policeman in Adwa district in southern Egypt last August. It happened shortly after Egyptian security forces carried out raids on 2 anti-military protest sites in Cairo. Amnesty International had an observer at the trial.
These were grossly unfair trials at all stages of the proceedings. Hundreds of people have been sentenced to death for killing, a police officer. But conversely, almost no police officers have been sentenced for killing protesters or others in the years of Egypt's political crisis.
The United States says the mass trials and rulings are unconscionable.
These actions will further add to instability, extremism and radicalization. And these are issues that, while the Egyptian government has pledged to resolve, clearly they don't represent the kind of democratic ideals and progress that we need to see made in Egypt.
Only 63 of the accused are in custody. Under Egyptian law, if any of the defendants were to turn themselves in, their trials would start over. Egypt's foreign minister says the decision is not final and that the legal process should be allowed to run its course.
He actually did not sentence those people to death. He asked for an opinion from the Mufti about their portfolios.
The Grand Mufti is Egypt's top religious authority. He will need to sign off on the death sentences. But that will be little comfort for these people, knowing that the Grand Mufti's opinion can be ignored by the courts. Mereana Hond, Al Jazeera.